Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an animation using Canva's Whiteboard. So, very quickly, let's start off with a title. So, let's have a header here. Let's say our title is Tech Help Guy. Then, let's choose a font, something related to handwriting right here. Let's say this one. Nope, not that one. Let's choose something better. Let's select this one right here, enlarge it up. Then what you want to do here is basically just want to play with the whiteboard. So add whatever it is you'd like to add. You can add elements, pictures, designs, anything. So let's try to do it like this. So let's say this is our overall let's say animation, right? This is what we will be using, or all the elements that we will be using for our animation. Now what we want to do here is you want to click on download and then PNG. PNG is best used for pictures or PowerPoints or anything that needs a clear like picture or a clear illustration. PNG is the best tool or the best format to use. Now that you've downloaded your PNG, go here to grid view, click on it, and then add another page. Select it, go there, and then now what we want to do here is we want to go to apps. Right here on the side, on the left side, we have our toolbox. Just click on apps and then type in speed. You want this one, speed paint. Choose your file, choose the PNG file earlier. This is our file. Choose the FPS. The higher the FPS, of course, the better the resolution. And then you can also select your sketch duration. So let's set it up at 15 seconds. We don't have a color fill, so it's okay if we don't add that. And then you can also choose your own hand styles right here. So we'll settle with this one right here. Then sketch type. Let's do it with this one. Drawing order. Let's say text first or text at the end. Then background color, you can change that as well. Then next is you have to sign in your specific account. And then after signing in, everything should be good from there. And yeah, that's about it. So once you've signed in your account automatically, Speed Paint will be creating an animation depending on how you had formatted it. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.